Namaskar. In today's fitness conscious world, protein powders have become very important. It is believed that these powders are so much required to build up muscles. Walk into any gyms or health stores and you will see rows and rows of colorful packages promising muscle growth. They promise quick recovery and overall health benefits. However, there is a growing need for more natural approach to protein intake. Let's look at why you want to think twice before buying protein powder. The first major concern of protein shake is digestive issue. Artificial protein supplements, particularly those containing wheys or caseins, can cause digestive problems like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. This is because these ingredients may be difficult for some individuals to digest efficiently, leading to gastrointestinal issues. Moreover, some rapid absorption of some protein powder, particularly whey protein, can overwhelm the digestive system, especially when consumed in large quantity or early in the morning with empty stomach. This may aggravate existing digestive issues or create new ones with people who have sensitive gut. The next major concern about protein shake is infertility. Research shows that contaminated, bad quality protein shakes may be the cause of infertility in long run. The ingredients and quality of protein supplements can directly affect fertility outcomes, especially when taken with larger quantity or when the additives are also there with them. That may impact hormonal balance and overall health. Artificial protein shakes often contain additives such as artificial sweeteners, flavors, and even preservatives. Research suggests that certain artificial substances could potentially interfere with hormone regulation or metabolic processes in the body and cause infertility in the long run. The third point to look at it is the additive and fillers that are used in protein powder. Protein powder often contains heavily processed ingredients, including artificial flavors, sweeteners, and additives. The source of protein can vary widely from whey to soy, pea, or ham protein. While these proteins are marketed as isolated and purified form, the processing method can remove the natural ingredients and introduce chemicals that are not very good for body. Some protein powders are found to have contaminants like heavy metals, which are very bad for the body. The next problem with protein powder is kidney damage. It's very easy to consume excessive amount of protein powder. Someone may think little more for extra muscles, but what we don't realize is that these powders in a wrong quantity can put extra strain on our kidney. This can lead to kidney damage or kidney diseases in a long run. It's crucial to know overconsumption of protein supplement can have serious health issues. And finally, there is this issue of cost and dependence. Protein powders are generally expensive, and there is also a chance that body may get addicted to that. In this case, there would be a tendency to rely too much on protein powder instead of taking complete balanced meal, and this is not good for the body. Remember, protein powders are only supplement and not a replacement for balanced, nutritious and healthy, wholesome food. It is better to choose natural and organic for the body rather than processed and artificial. And if you still want to take protein supplements, always do it after consulting a trained dietitian. Let me tell you a natural and organic alternatives to artificial protein powders. For this natural protein powder, you will need 1 cup hemp seeds, half cup chia seeds, half cup almonds grounded, half cup flaxseed meal, 1/4 cup pumpkin seed, 1/4 cup sunflower seed, half cup sattu powder. Grind the nuts and seeds in the blender until they reach the powdery consistency. Transfer this powder into a big bowl and mix it well with flaxseed meal and sattu powder. After mixing it well, transfer it into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place or in a refrigerator. You will get 15 grams of protein per serving of approximately 1/4 cup of this naturally made protein powder. The next recipe is protein rich sandwich filling. 1 cup boiled smashed chickpeas, half cup finely chopped cucumber, half cup finely chopped bell pepper, green, yellow, any color, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 cup crumbled paneer. It could be optional for added protein. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the spread, we will need half cup Greek yogurt or hung curd, half a teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Now take a large bowl and combine mashed chickpeas, chopped cucumber, bell pepper and crumbled paneer and prepare a mixture. Now whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper in a small bowl and pour this dressing over the mixture and toss everything together until it mixes well. In another small bowl, mix Greek yogurt or hung curd with dried oregano with salt and pepper to prepare the spread. This filling and spread together will give you around 32 grams of protein. You must eat this filling with the bread of your choice. Protein powders may look easy and convenient, but they have serious health risks which we are not able to recognize clearly. Don't put your body at unnecessary risk. Shift to natural protein powder and high protein food options to nurture your body naturally and organically. Namaskar.